let us discuss unit number 1, revision of the motion. Class 9th. Now first we have to describe the basic terms. What is the motion? In the revision classes we have discussed what is the motion. So first we have to describe motion. Motion, if any object changes its position with respect to time is called motion. It means we have a object here. This is our object. This is a car, and car is moving with a uniform speed v in this direction. It means at t equal to 0, the car is in this location. As the time passes, the car changes its position. It means at t equal to t, there v is the uniform speed. If the car is at t equal to 0 at this location, here x equal to 0. When the time passes, at time t equal to t, the car is in this location, and this location should be x equal to x. It means the car is in motion. Hence we can say that if any object changes its position with respect to time, at t equal to 0, the car is here. At t equal to t, the car changes its location. Then this car to be said to be in motion. This is the definition of the motion. If any object changes its position with respect to time is called motion. If any object changes its position with respect to time is called motion. Now the definition should be clear. If any object is in this position right now, at the time passes, the object becomes on this position. It means object is moving in this pattern. Hence we can say that the car is in moving condition. Hence we can say that the object should be in motion. This is the definition of motion. Now the motion, there are two types of motion. First is uniform motion. Second is non-uniform. There are two types of motion. First is uniform motion and second is non-uniform motion. Now the definition of the uniform motion. What is the definition of uniform motion? If any object take a distance in equal interval of time, it specifies equal distance in equal interval of time. It takes equal distance in equal interval of time, then it is called uniform motion. And if it takes equal distance, if it does not take If it does not take equal distance in equal interval of time, equal interval of time, then it is called a non-uniform motion.